Hi dears, welcome back to science class. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to revise our next unit, unit 5. Okay, that is electrical conductors and insulators. First we will discuss about 5.1 and 5.2. Now I'm going to give you a brief explanation about these topics. Let's start revision. First topic is 5.1, which materials conduct electricity. In this unit, we already discussed about what is conductors and what is insulators, right? Okay, first we are going to look about what is conductors. We know that conductors, that the materials that conduct electricity are called conductors. Okay, the materials that conduct electricity are called conductors. For examples, all metals such as copper, iron, aluminium, gold, these all are conducting electricity. We know that gold is one of the best conductor of electricity, but we are not using the gold for making circuits or other instruments. Why we are not using this? Because it is very expensive, right? And also, so metals are good conductor of electricity. We are using copper, iron, aluminium, like this. Metals are used to making wire or any other things, okay, because it is less expensive. Then next is insulators. Insulators means the materials that do not conduct electricity are called insulators. For examples, paper, plastic, rubber, wood, fabric, pure water, etc. Okay. Then the next topic is, does water conduct electricity? Okay. We know that pure water is distilled water. Pure water means what? Distilled water. Pure water does not conduct electricity. Pure water does not conduct electricity. What about the salt water? Okay, the water from the river or the tap is not pure. Okay, the water from the sea or river or the tap is not pure. It has salt dissolved. It has a salt content. So it is not pure. And water with salt dissolved in it, it does conduct electricity. Okay, so the salt water is conducting electricity. Clear? Is human body a good or bad conductor of electricity? Why? Because the human body are about 65% of water. This water has substances include salt dissolved in it. So it is not pure. A human body is not pure. Okay, our body has 65% of water. It is not pure. It has different soil content, soils, minerals like this, different contents. Okay, and water with salt dissolved in it does conduct electricity. Because our body has salt, that's why our body is a good conductor of electricity. Clear? So this is what you want to know about this topic. So all of you do the revision sheet. I will give you more questions about this topics in revision sheet. So all of you kindly watch it and revision and do the revision. And also thanks for watching. Those who are not completing the workbook, please complete it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Bye bye.